Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. So back out here at the park, y'all. I ain't been out here in a while. Look like the grass is freshly cut. We got it cleaned up a little bit from all those leaves that was out here, but I'm out here with a rather unique one this time, y'all. I don't even know the name of this thing. I guess it's the Beast. It has a little symbol on here, the bull horns, and it says the Beast. Well, it says Beast on there, and this thing is a quad. It's actually a drone with a camera and all. It has a camera on there. I haven't tested the camera and all of that stuff, but I know that you can control the camera. You can pitch it down, and it goes forward, straight forward as well. And this thing is a drone, a quadcopter in a plus configuration with brushless motors, y'all. Hard to find these things with brushless motors here in the States or whatnot. They don't have them on Amazon. I had to get this thing from China. Jinping, they got all the awesome technology over there, y'all. So I had to get this one from over there. Yeah, I wanted to check out this thing real quick, see how it flies. It does have wheels on the bottom there. It does have a position hold. So this thing does have optical flow. This little camera right there is for optical flow. And so with brushless motors, y'all. So we're about to check this out. It looks like you can use other props on here, but I'm not sure about the screw mounting system there. I don't know if it's standard or not, but let's get this guy up in there. It also has lights, so I will be getting a night flight going with this thing at some point. This canopy lights up really nice and blue and all. This little thruster in the rear glows red and all, and there's lights on the inner circles of these prop, I don't know what to call these, hoops or whatnot, but you can't see any of that now. But let's get this guy up in the air so we can see. Maybe we can see some of the lights now. Didn't get to show you guys the transmitter. This is the transmitter here. That's right side up there. Everything is labeled as far as the buttons and all. So I'm not going to really go through all the buttons and everything. I'm going to try to figure this thing out because I haven't really flown it except for maybe twice, and they weren't like full flights. So let's get this guy up in the air. I think it does do Wi-Fi FPV too, but you guys know I don't like that. Okay, so there are the lights there. Let me turn the transmitter on. Whoops, I done hit something by mistake. So let's get this guy in there. There's an auto takeoff button. Let's hit that. Okay, so that was interesting. Okay, I have to switch this thing to outdoor mode. It does have an indoor and an outdoor mode. So it was on indoor mode, so it wasn't able to fight this wind out here. We're in the first rate, y'all. So once you hit outdoor mode, the first rate is good enough to fight wind out here. This thing is actually pretty awesome looking. Oh, it pitches back. Once you let off the 6, though, it tries to stay still. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it tries to hold this position a little. I imagine it's probably getting confused with all of this grass out here. Well, then again, you also have to be a certain height from the ground. Let's see if it'll hold this position if I let it go there. Doesn't seem like it. It's moving forward. Maybe it has to be in the indoor mode. Let's see. If I switch it to indoor mode. Okay, yeah, I think that's what it is, y'all. So it's trying to hold its position now that it's in indoor mode, but let's go back to outdoor mode. Sheesh, it's trying to pitch back the other way on me. That's indoor mode again. Try to keep it in place. I went to its highest rate, and that's not enough to really fight wind out here. So we went back to outdoor mode. Okay, we're in the third rate on outdoor mode. So this little wind out here is trying to give it trouble, but it does have enough pitch to fight through it. This thing looks awesome in the air. The earlier part of this video, I had my Bluetooth headphones on. So hopefully the sound came out for the beginning. But this thing is banking really nice and all. The only thing I don't like is when I let off the sticks, it tries to pitch back. Oh, this thing does do flips too. So let's see it do some flips. Whoa, not the trees, y'all. So it doesn't want to do flips. It doesn't want to do rolls when it's moving forward. But once I let off the forward pitch, it does allow me to make it flip. You guys can see the lights there now. It doesn't flip forwards or backwards though. Oh, it does do backwards flips. Let's try that again. Okay, so it'll do a backwards flip. No forward flips though. So no flips to the front. Check it out. That's the fastest this thing will go though. I think I'm in the third rate. Let me see. Yep, I'm in the third rate. So this is the fastest it'll go. I can't really fly it in the lower rates though, because outdoors this wind, it kind of blows it away, and I'm not even able to move forward with it in the indoor mode, so gotta keep it in outdoor mode. Wait, let me see. I probably can go to, okay, we're in, okay, yeah, it'll fly in rate 1 in outdoor mode. So this is rate 1 in outdoor mode. Had to slam on the air brakes to avoid that tree right there. Check it out, y'all. This thing looks awesome in the air. Okay, let's try rate 2 in outdoor mode. Oops, I put it in indoor mode by mistake. Let's see. Okay, we're in second rate in outdoor mode. Rate 1 seemed like it was a little bit faster, but I think that's the wind just picked up on it. Okay, let's go to rate 3. Yeah, it seemed like rate 1 was doing the best. Can't really tell much of a not much of a difference between the 3 rates. Let's see. I'm going back to first rate. Yeah, not too much of a difference. Awesome looking fighter jet drone though, with brushless motors, y'all. So you can find a lot of these on Amazon, but the ones on Amazon, none of them have brushless motors though. They all have brushed motors. So not as powerful as this one here. Probably can't even fly it on a day like this with this wind and all. And the lights on this thing are cool. Yeah, I noticed it doesn't pitch as much on the third rate in indoor mode, so that's why it's unable to fly outdoors on any of the indoor mode rates. And when you put it on outdoor mode, it doesn't hold its position. So it's in indoor mode now. We're in the third rate, and this is the fastest it'll go. So this thing is real stable indoors. I was flying it around indoors in indoor mode, and I was able to navigate it throughout the house without crashing it and all. It holds its position pretty well. It's holding its position here. I could barely move forward with it. So we're going back into outdoor mode. Seems like a pretty decent fly time. The battery is pretty small though, looks pretty small to me, and it says it's 2,000 milliamp hour, and I think that that's just impossible for the battery to be that size. Oh, it does have an LVC alarm as well. You guys can hear that beeping, as well as the visual LVC there with the lights flashing. So let's try to bring this thing in for a landing. So pretty awesome little flyer with brushless motors in the shape of a fighter jet. I guess this thing is just going to be called the Beast. I'll have the proper name of it right here so you guys can see what the name of this thing is, and I'll have a link in the description if you guys want to go ahead and check it out before the review. But thanks for watching, y'all. Pretty awesome little drone shaped like a fighter jet with brushless motors. Thanks for watching.